history of the India. Next subject is geography. Next subject is Indian economy. Indian economy. And next one is Indian polity. And the next one is art and culture. Art and culture. Science and technology. Technology. And last one is current affairs. So these are the subject which covers the general studies. Under these topics, these subjects, we study almost all the social aspect of the society and general overview of the world. So we now discuss about the each subject in briefly. History is divided into three subgroups, which are ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. So as we study history, we study about the king, their kingdoms like Gupta kingdoms, Maurya kingdoms, Mughal kingdoms, and British kingdoms. And along with this, we also study about the various battles, wars, like Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, Battle of Bandiwas, Battle of Haldighati, Battle of Panipat, etc. Along with these battles, we also study about the various technological development or major events happening in the history. You can say like discovery of fire, discovery of wheel. So these are the this is the basic idea about the area of the study in history. Moving ahead, we study in geography. Geography is divided into two subgroups, in which first group is world geography and second one is Indian geography. In world geography, we study about the ocean, about the various continent, various mountain range, various lakes, various desert, grasslands, and we also study about the climatology, means study of the climate. And when we study about the Indian geography, we need some deeper understanding about the Indian geography, because question arises in Indian geography are from some deeper understanding, or from some deeper understandings. In Indian geography, we study about the physiography of the India, like Indian plains, like Indian mountains. In Indian mountains, we study about the Himalayas, about the Shivalik, about the Aravalli mountains, about the Western Ghat mountains, in which we study Nilgiri mountains, Annamalai mountains, etc. Along with the mountains, we study about the rivers like Ganga, like Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, etc. And we also study about the Deccan Plateau, Thar deserts, etc. So this is the basic idea about the area of the world geography as well as Indian geography. Now moving ahead, next subject is Indian economy. In Indian economy, we need to study about the various systems related to economy, like taxation system in India, like banking system in India, like industrial sector of the India, agriculture sector of the India, service sector of the India. And there are some basic terminology like inflation. Inflation gives deeper understanding about the economy. Along with this inflation, we also study about the employment, how to generate employment, how to unemployment comes, and what are the recession, shutdown conditions of the economy. We also study in economy about the population of the India, about the poverty of the India. So this is the basic idea about the area of the Indian economy. It means you can understand what are the topics comes under the Indian constitutions, Indian economy. Now moving ahead, our next subject is Indian polity. In Indian polity, there are two subtopics. First one is Indian Constitution, and next one is Indian politics. Indian politics. In Indian Constitution, we study about the formation of the Constitution, various characteristics of the Constitution, and what are the content of the Indian constitutions. drafted by the drafting committee, whose chairman was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So, in Indian Constitution, we study these types of topics, and second subtopic is Indian politics. In Indian politics, we study about the politics of India, like in which we study about the leaders of the India, like Mahatma Gandhi, like Jawaharlal Nehru, like Jayaprakash Narayan, Ram Manohar Lohia, and present times leaders like Narendra Modi, Arvind Kejriwal, Mulayam Singh Yadav, etc. Along with the leaders of the Indian politics, we also study about the various parties of the Indian polity. You can say Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Trinamool Congress. These are some bigger or major national parties of the Indian politics. Along the leaders, politics, we also study about the various movements happening in India, like Narmada Bachao Andolan, Chipko Andolan, Kisan Andolan, Anna Hazare Andolan. So these are the major events happened in Indian politics. So this is the basic idea about the Indian constitutions, Indian politics. Moving ahead, our next topic is art and culture. In art and culture, we study about the art of the India and culture of the India. In art of the India, we study about the architectural development in India, like Taj Mahal, like Lal Killa, like Humayun Tomb, like Khajuraho temples, etc. And in art form, we also study about the various other arts like paintings, like puppet, like stupa, etc. And in culture of the India, we study about the literature, in which we study about the Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Quran, Bible, Tripatak, etc. And in culture, we study about the various dance form in India. For example, Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Odissi, Punjabi Bhangra, etc. And in culture, we also study about the various religions, various festivals, fairs. So I hope you understood what is the area of the art and culture, which topics we need to study in art and culture. Now, moving ahead, our next topic is science and technology. In science and technology, there are two subdivisions. One is traditional science. In traditional science, there are three major subjects. First is physics, chemistry, biology. These three subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, are the traditional science, and in modern days, or you can say in contemporary time, there is various technological development in which we study about the space development, in which we study about the ISRO, about the NASA. Along with space, we study about the defense research systems like DRDO, and along the defense we also study about the computer and biotechnology development. So I hope you can understood what are the major area under the science and technology subject which you need to study. Now, moving ahead, our next subject is current affairs. In current affairs, we need to study about the major events happening inside the country and outside the country. It means major events of world. So this is the major subjects comes under the general studies, and along this we also discussed what are the major area along under the each subject. So I hope you understood very well which I discussed here. So I want to say you thank you for listening this video. Thank you.